Namaskar. Welcome to the most powerful calling in the world, motherhood. A very common concern that I come across from the new moms when I talk to them is my baby's head shape is flattened on one side or from the back, or it looks a little bit elongated. What can I do? Um, my today's video is about why it happens and can anything be done to prevent it or reduce it. Newborns have skull bones that are naturally soft and flexible. The babies have two soft spots on their head called the fontanelles. One is at the back of the skull, somewhere here, which closes by 6 weeks, and one is at the top of the head, which mostly closes by 1.5 years. Now you will think, why are these spots soft at all? This helps them to easily squeeze through the birth canal during the childbirth. Many babies that are born by vaginal deliveries come out with slightly pointed or elongated heads. During the initial growing months, when the baby's head still has soft spots, the skull can become flattened at the back or either side of the baby's head, depending on the position that the baby chooses to be during the day for many hours, against a firm surface. You'll find that baby's hair too is worn off on that flattened side. And due to this, you may see that the face, eyes, or ears may appear slightly asymmetrical. Is there anything to worry? No, not at all. By the time the baby is 6 months or so, when they can turn their heads easily and are able to sit for longer duration, the pressure is relieved off of any particular side, and slowly the head starts to take up the natural roundish shape. Though this is a naturally occurring process and mostly gets corrected on its own, using the old traditional method of mustard seeds pillow can be of help in reducing the flattening of head. A mustard seed pillow gives the baby much needed comfort because it is very soft. It has been observed that sleeping on the mustard seeds pillow smooths out the shape of the baby's head. Since the mustard seeds pillow can, take up the shape of the head, slight bumps or dents can be fixed when your baby is using this pillow. Mustard seeds pillow for newborns are adaptable, and as your baby turns the head in the sleep, the pillow adapts itself to the sleeping position of the baby's head. In this way, even if your baby sleeps only on one side, the pillow will not put pressure on the head, and that is why even if your baby does not have any birth defects associated with the shape of the head, I would suggest to let your baby sleep on the mustard seed pillow. You can make the mustard seed pillow at home, by washing and drying about half to 1 kg of smaller variety of mustard seeds in the sun. Ensure that the seeds are very, very well dried, as even a little moisture, could cause the fungal growth inside the pillow. Take 1 meter of soft cotton or muslin fabric, wash it with hot water if it is brand new. Stitch a pillowcase out of that fabric about 10 to 15 inches on the three sides using hand sewing or machine. Stitch, as I said, on the three sides and keep one side open for filling. Fill 3/4 of the case with dried mustard seeds and leave 1/4 part empty. Then stitch the fourth side to seal it, and make sure you double or triple stitch the pillow to ensure no seeds escape with regular use. Too much filling will make the pillow hard, while too little will not be comfortable at all for the baby, and will defeat the purpose. Also, make or buy few cotton or muslin pillow covers so that you can wash them from time to time to keep them clean. For any reason, if you do not intend to make it at home, or you cannot make it at home, then you may find ready-made mustard seeds pillow in many retail baby stores or online. In India, they may range from anywhere between 250 rupees to 500 rupees. And in the US, they may range from anywhere between $20 to $50. I will share some of my personal favorites in the comments below after the end of the video. Uh, Before ending, I just want to give you a last word of caution. Please be watchful of the wear and tear of the pillow and discard it immediately if you find slightest of hole or tear on a stitch to avoid spilling the mustard seeds and avoid choking hazards. Thank you.